Feeling like your money disappears faster than you can earn it? You're not alone. Many households struggle to keep track of where their hard-earned cash goes. But what if the secret to saving thousands every year isn't some new financial hack, but a return to the past? In this video, we're reviving 10 forgotten frugal habits that could save you over $5,000 annually, all without sacrificing comfort or lifestyle. Let's dive in. 1. The Pantry Challenge. Before you even think about heading to the grocery store, take a good look at what's already sitting in your kitchen. The Pantry Challenge is all about making the most of what you already have, whether that's canned goods, dry staples, or forgotten freezer items. By planning meals around existing ingredients, you not only reduce unnecessary grocery trips, but also cut down on food waste dramatically. It encourages creativity in the kitchen and helps clear out cluttered shelves. Many families save $50 to $100 per month this way, adding up to as much as $1,200 a year in real, tangible savings. 2. The envelope system. It may sound like a relic from your grandparents' era, but the envelope system remains one of the most effective budgeting methods out there. The idea is simple. Switch to cash for key spending categories like groceries, entertainment, or dining out. Label envelopes for each category, place the cash inside, and spend only what's in that envelope. When the money's gone, it's gone. No swiping cards, no impulse splurges. This physical limit helps curb emotional spending and keeps you accountable. Many people find they save around $100 per month, which translates to an impressive $1,200 annually without changing their lifestyle drastically. 3. Line drying laundry. Modern dryers are convenient, but they're also among the biggest energy hogs in your home. By choosing to line dry your laundry just a few times a week, you can lower your electricity bills and extend the life of your clothes. Heat and tumbling wear out fabrics over time, but air drying keeps garments in better shape for longer. It's also eco-friendly, using zero energy other than fresh air and sunlight. Even partial line drying can save you around $15 a month, or roughly $180 per year, while leaving your clothes smelling naturally fresh. An old-fashioned habit that truly pays off. 4. DIY cleaning products. Household cleaners can quietly eat away at your budget, and many contain harsh chemicals you might prefer to avoid. The good news is that simple ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon can tackle most cleaning jobs just as effectively. Use vinegar and water for streak-free windows, baking soda as a gentle scrub for sinks, and lemon for fresh-smelling surfaces. These DIY solutions are inexpensive, environmentally friendly, and surprisingly powerful. Once you stop buying overpriced sprays and specialty cleaners, you can easily save $20 a month, adding up to about $240 a year, all while creating a healthier home. 5. Cooking in batches, like a Depression-era chef. Batch cooking is one of the smartest frugal habits you can adopt. By preparing large portions of soups, casseroles, or stir-fries, then freezing them for later, you ensure you always have a quick meal ready to go. This reduces the temptation to order takeout and helps use up bulk groceries efficiently. One Reddit user reported saving $1,000 per month by doubling recipes and avoiding delivery entirely. Realistically, most households can save around $30 per week, or $1,560 per year, by scheduling 1 or 2 big cooking sessions weekly. It saves time, reduces stress, and makes your future self grateful. 6. Canceling auto subscriptions. Take a moment to review your bank statements and App Store subscriptions. You might be surprised by what's quietly draining your wallet. Streaming platforms, apps, newsletters, and other services often auto-renew, even when you've forgotten about them. By canceling just 2 or 3 unused subscriptions, you can make a noticeable difference in your monthly budget. It's quick, requires zero lifestyle changes, and gives instant results. Average households can save around $50 per month or $600 annually by trimming these digital extras. This habit also encourages more intentional spending, ensuring your money goes toward things you actually use and value. 7. Reusable everything. Single-use products are sneaky budget killers. Items like paper towels, plastic wrap, disposable coffee filters, and sandwich bags may seem cheap individually, but they add up fast over months. By switching to reusable alternatives, like cloth towels, silicone lids, metal filters, and washable containers, you make a one-time investment that pays for itself many times over. Not only does this reduce household waste, but it also simplifies your shopping list. Most families save $20 a month, or about $240 per year after making the switch. It's a small change with a big impact on both your wallet and the planet. 8. No-spend weekends. Imagine dedicating one weekend each month to spending absolutely nothing. No restaurants, no shopping, no entertainment splurges, just free activities, homemade meals, and quality time. No-spend weekends are a powerful way to reset your budget and rethink how you use your free time. Explore local parks, have a game night, or tackle creative projects at home. Many people find they actually enjoy these slower weekends and don't miss the spending at all. The average savings can reach $75 per month, or $900 a year, simply by making mindful choices and rediscovering the joy of low-cost, intentional living. 9. Repair before replacing. In today's throwaway culture, it's easy to replace things at the first sign of wear, but learning to repair, mend, or troubleshoot can save hundreds every year. Whether it's sewing a torn seam, fixing a leaky faucet, or replacing a phone battery, YouTube is full of step-by-step tutorials to guide you. Basic repair skills don't just save money, they also reduce waste and extend the life of your belongings. Depending on what you fix, this habit can save $200 to $500 annually, and sometimes far more. A little patience and effort can turn minor problems into major savings. 10. Borrow, don't buy. How many times have you purchased something for a single use only for it to collect dust afterward? Items like ladders, specialty baking pans, or power tools are classic examples. Instead of buying new, check with friends, family, or even local libraries and community centers. Many now offer tool lending programs. Borrowing saves space, reduces clutter, and keeps cash in your pocket. This simple shift can save $200 or more each year, depending on your lifestyle. It also builds a sense of community, encouraging resource sharing rather than constant consumption, a timeless, frugal habit that modern life often overlooks. So there you have it, 10 timeless, old-school habits that could put $5,000 or more back in your pocket every single year. No complicated side hustles, no get-rich-quick schemes, and definitely no magic tricks. Just smart, intentional living that actually works. The best part? You can start with just one habit today and build momentum over time. Which one will you try first? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical, proven ways to save big and live better. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.